We're gonna replace the button with a red one. So I just have my vice grip over the button and I'm unscrewing it. It's spring loaded, that's why it's hard, and be careful to not rip the leather here, but if you go slowly you will get to it and it will come. Okay, so when you arrive toward the end and it's unscrewed, you can remove the spring. We're not going to reuse the spring because we don't want the thing to push back. You just have to take the new button and thread it in. So now when I push the button down with ease, and I can go up and down, use the e-brake, it doesn't lock. So now when I go rally crossing, I can just leave the button down. When I need to park the car, just release it and we'll lock in place. That was the mighty car mod of the day. You can find the part on Amazon. It's usually labeled as a drift button, and you can take the one for the BRZ. It fits on the Impreza.